To fix OpenGL error in the Minecraft. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go in your Windows and here you have to search for the device manager. Now once you're in the device manager, you have to go on the display adapter and here you have to go on the Intel HD graphics. Now you have to click on the driver and here you have to upgrade the driver. Now you have to tap on the search for the best driver for your device installed and here you have to go on the Windows update. After this you have to check for the updates. Once the update has been done, you have to go back and here you have to open up the new tab and search for the download Java for Minecraft. Now here you have to download the Java for your Windows. After downloading this you have to install it and here you have to add up your account. Once you add your account, you have to log in and log out from your previous account and add up a new account. So yeah, this is how you can fix OpenGL error in the Minecraft.